Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Electronics for Gate by Kota Venkanna. My mobile number 630-5826-909. Today I want to discuss the topic capacitance and capacitance or capacitor. So here capacitor can be designed by using like this. So two parallel plates are taken. There is some distance separation between these two. Same length of the parallel plates are taken, and area of the parallel plates are same. That is area A. area area of the parallel plates both are same. So this is L1 అనుకున్నట్లయితే or plate 1 or plate 1. This is plate 2. Area of the parallel plate 1 must be equal to area of the parallel plate 2, and the length of the parallel plate 1 must be equal to length of the parallel plate 2, and in between these two we have to maintain some distance, and the distance is must be equal to d, small d. These two are in between these two, we are using some dielectric material or insulation material. Why? Because in order to reduce the interconnection between these two plates, in order to reduce the interconnection between these two plates, we have to use dielectric material, or in between dielectric material or insulation material, or sometimes air gap is also equal to dielectric material. So plate 1 is charged as plus q, and plate 2 charged as minus q. Plate 1 charged as plus q. Here the magnitude of charge is same. The magnitude q is equal, here magnitude of q must be equal to magnitude of q. Magnitude of q is same, but opposite charges. This plate is charged as plus, this plate is charged as minus, so that is plus. So then this is known as, this acts as capacitor, or this is known as capacitance. Capacitance C is equal to Q by V. Q is the charge of the plates, magnitude of charge of the plates, and V is the potential difference or voltage. Potential difference or voltage. C is equal Q by V. And here capacitors are basically two types. First one is parallel plate capacitor, and the second one is coaxial. Second one is coaxial capacitor. First one is parallel plate capacitor, and second one is coaxial capacitor. We have to discuss these two topics. Now I want to discuss the parallel plate capacitor. So here parallel plate, two parallel plates are taken. that is plate 1 and this is plate 2, and plate 1 is charged as Q plus Q and plate 2 charged as minus Q, and this is the plus 1 and this is minus 1, and the electric field intensity or electric field direction plus 2 minus, that is E, that is E. This is the basic block diagram of parallel plate capacitor. So here the charge of magnitude Q, then the surface charge density. Here the charge of the parallel plates, it is represented with Q. Okay, Q. Then the surface charge density rho s. Surface. This is the surface charge density. Rho s is equal to surface charge density. It is represented with rho s. So here rho s will be equal to Q by A. Q by A, where A is the area of the plates, and here rho s is equal to surface charge density. Surface charge density, and A is the area plates, and Q is the charge. Then the electric field E, then the electric field in between two plates. The electric field between two plates is given by E is equal rho s by the surface charge density by epsilon, where epsilon is dielectric constant of medium. Epsilon is dielectric constant of medium. Rho s is surface charge density, that is electric field. The electric field between two parallel plates E is equal to rho s by epsilon. And here rho s, from this equation, rho s is also equal to epsilon into E. And the potential or voltage equation is given by V is equal to integration plate 1 to plate 2 E dot ds, and this is the basic equation for the determination of voltage. V is equal to, but finally we want a capacitance equation. For the derivation of capacitance, we have to derive the equation for voltage. So here V is equal to integration 1 to 2 E dot ds. This equation is also known as V is equal to E d. D is the separation distance between these two. Separation between two plates. D. E d. So, but from the equation of capacitance, C is equal to Q by V. In this V equation, we have to substitute ED. Then Q is equal to C is equal to Q by ED. Or here from this equation Q is equal to, what is the equation? Q is equal to, here from this equation Q is equal to, from this equation Q is equal to rho S into A. So we have to substitute in this equation Q is equal to rho S into A. Then rho S into A by E D. Then rho S is equal, from this equation rho S is equal to epsilon into E. Then in the place of E, rho S, we have to substitute epsilon into E. Then epsilon into E into A by E D. E cancel, remaining value epsilon into A by D. So therefore C is equal to the parallel plate capacitance. The parallel plate capacitance C is equal to Q by ED, or C is equal to rho S into A by ED, or epsilon into A by D. So this is equal to parallel plate capacitance. This is equal to parallel plate capacitance. Capacitance, the parallel plate capacitance is equal to Q by ED, or rho S అంటే surface charge density into area of the plates by E, electric field intensity or electric field, and D is the distance between two plates. Small d is the distance between two plates. Epsilon into A by D. This equation is known as parallel plate capacitor equation. Parallel plate capacitor equation. In next class, we will discuss coaxial capacitance. Coaxial capacitance.